This is the junior superior room of the Riu Palace Bavaro in Punta Cana. This has been renovated for 2024 and will also be my home for the next week. So I'll get the room tour started. There are two doors here. The first door, closest to the front door, is just a room with the toilet. And then if you go into the other room is the rest of the bathroom with the big mirror, double sinks. And then if you look to your left, you have your big shower with your towels, and you got all your shampoo, conditioner, body wash and such. Another big mirror. Hello. And then if you go to the closet, you got a blanket, some hangers, your safe and your iron, and then on the other side is another pillow and some bathrobes and an ironing board. And then if you go out to like the room itself, it's pretty spacious, it's pretty modern, and it's pretty clean. I feel like my voice echoes throughout this room, but here is the king size bed. Looks very nice. Got some lights. You have like a little bar area with coffee, stool, fridge. Let's see what's in the fridge. Oh, we got some pop, some orange drink, some 7-Up, some water, some beer. And if you look up here, there is an actual dispenser of liquor in the room, which is nuts. You got your, but it's mostly cheapish alcohol. But hey, cheap alcohol is better than no alcohol, is what I would say. You got some desks, you got like stools, place to put your luggage, some drawers, your TV. You have some artwork here, a little desk and some chairs, couch and a table. Over there's your phone. And then if you go outside, see, I don't know why this doesn't close properly, but if you go outside, this is my view for the next week. You got the pools there. Let's go further in, and there's the beach. Yeah, this is my home for the next week. Punta Cana, Riu Palace Bavaro, room tour.